Hi, I'm Donna Lang, social media consultant and business coach, and I just want to say it was really, really great to meet you. But I do have a question. How can we help each other? That's really the big thing. After I meet someone, I want to know, how can I help you? How can we help each other? I do have an idea, and it's all about leveraging our reach. For example, we can help each other, we can make introductions, we can refer leads to each other. We can recommend networking events and associations that might be very valuable, very interesting to attend. We can suggest speaking opportunities or help spread the word about our upcoming events. We can also collaborate and even do business together. But wait, we just opened the door to a brand new relationship. So, what I'd like to do is learn more about your business and tell you more about my business before we start to leverage. Let's connect by phone or email, Facebook or LinkedIn. And here's my social media contact information on Facebook and LinkedIn. And how about connecting via email? You can do that, or you can call me and set up a phone appointment. I would welcome that. And we can learn more about each other so we can help each other win, increase our chances of success, hit the success target faster. I am so looking forward to building a strong business relationship with you. I'm excited about next steps. It's Donna Lang, social media consultant and business growth coach. I'm really thrilled that we had a chance to meet.